this has been a perennial problem, but I would say over the period of time it is getting better. One is the close partnership. So when you create the business case itself, make sure that you take enough business inputs. Make sure their business department head is aligned. He is one of the sponsors. CFO, CEOs are also either informed or they are a sponsorship. So this is one. The second would be predefining the role. Who is in what role from what team? So when you create a cross-functional team, who exactly is in what role? Third one is the collaboration. Fourth, again, I can't give enough importance to collaboration. It is today, and 2030, go to 2050, also it will be there. The fourth one is governance. How effectively you are doing the governance, especially when millennials, gig economy, all of them are coming into your projects. Governance becomes much more important because you have much more party in your government, in your project teams. And third one is educating your own people. How do you educate your own people about the project? What impact it will do? How it will impact your workforce? An example is like if you do AI. If people don't know what is happening inside a AI model, right? We call it opacity. If it is opaque to people, they won't appreciate many a times. They won't relate to themselves how AI model is working. So these are the areas using which you could do close partnership with the business.